Welcome to the Amazon River.
Now. When I sat on this for the first time, it actually felt really hot. Very, very, very hot.
I wonder if I can wet it a little bit to cool off.
I don't think that you could wet it, Dad.
I will wet it a little bit.
It's a conductor. iPhones are made out of metal, and metal is a conductor.
I didn't soak it. I just wet the outside.
What
do you think of this place, boy? Look at that.
Nice.
You can only experience this in southern Illinois.
But I suggest that
They don't have this in Wisconsin. And I think the only place is like the south. Like Louisiana, Georgia, probably Florida, right? But there, they have a lot of crocodiles. And the water how do you call that? The snake moccasin?
okay. And our other two,
Other two
There.
friends.
they're on kayaks.
It's very hot today. It's about 90 degrees. So, but this is another good experience.
Hi everyone, we are in the Amazon in southern Illinois. Here's my dad who is trying to maneuver
In
the
this
canoe.
trail.
And look at the entire water. It's so green. There's also a lot of dragonflies.
Dito siya.
There are some cypress trees right now.
Let's go this side, boy. Sige ha. Oo. Hindi ko nakuhanin yung tail end mo kasi yan. Parang lili pa rin. Hindi, lili to siya. Mayroon to sa atin eh. Diyan tayo. Move. It's okay, boy. In the water?
My dad said that there are Asian carp in the water.
I don't know if they're Asian. Hey guys, welcome to the Amazon. I wanna live